Welcome. In this module, we're going to talk about ISO 31000-2018, the risk management mechanism, and we're going to take a look at how to implement a risk management framework or a risk management activity in an organization. There's an excellent document, a risk practitioner's guide to ISO 31000-2018, and you can take a look at the URL on the screen. Now, this is the overall structure for the risk management ISO 31000-2018 framework. There's elements of the risk management framework itself related to leadership and commitment. There are 8 principles of risk management related to value creation and protection. And then there's a risk management process, which mainly consists of risk assessment and risk treatment. So how do you implement a successful risk management program in an organization? Successful implementation of a risk management initiative is an ongoing process that involves working through 10 activities below on a continuous basis. These activities relate to planning and preparation, implementing or actually conducting the activities, measuring, evaluating, how are we doing, and then learning, making assessment, how to improve further. So let's take a look at the planning activities. Identify intended benefits of the risk management initiative and gain board support. So the risk management department or the risk management function, whatever is conducting the risk management, it needs to get the buy-in and the approval and the sponsorship from the board so that it can be implemented in the rest of the organization. If that sponsorship and support is not there, then the risk management cannot be effectively implemented in the organization. Plan the scope of the risk management initiative and develop common language of risk, easy common language. Vocabulary. Establish the risk management strategy, framework, and roles and responsibilities. Who's going to do what to implement the risk management program? Implement, step number 2. Adopt suitable risk assessment tools and an agreed risk classification system. Classification means, is the risk high, medium, or low? And assessment tool could be any mechanism, and there are some frameworks again that are followed. For example, there's a CIS mechanism, or there's other industry best practices for assessment tools. Establish risk benchmarks or risk criteria and undertake risk assessments. Determine risk appetite and risk tolerance levels, and evaluate the existing controls that are in place as well. Measure, step number 3. Evaluate effectiveness of existing controls and introduce improvements. Embed risk-aware culture and align risk management with other activities in the organization. Step number 4, learn. Monitor and review risk performance indicators to measure risk management contribution. And number 10, report risk performance in line with obligations and monitor improvement. So these are the 10 steps related to risk management and how to implement them. And as you can see, it's a very structured way how to implement the risk management program. Risk management for proper implementation requires expertise, knowledge, skills, board support, and we need to know what the objectives are. What are we trying to achieve? And through the ISO 31000-2018 general guidelines, we know about the framework, we know about the principles, and it's telling you the process and how to actually implement the program as well. Now, in an environment where there's a lot of technology and the information security needs to be done all on IT. Of course, information security is all related to IT. And we have technical personnel. There's a huge bridge between the paradigm and the way the technical people think and how the risk management people think. And as we have been stating, in an organization in which the information security posture is very low, the risk management doesn't have much value because the information security transformation program needs to be implemented with the 4-layer model. Once this program is implemented and the maturity of the security program is high and the maturity of the security posture is very good, that's the time where you can actually implement risk management as per a formal practice and a program in the organization, and that's when it will give value to the organization. That's all that we have for this module. Thank you.